To be honest, I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna pop open the hood. Goddamn, monkey! Carbon fiber!
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Morning guys, welcome back to today's video. Starting off with some breakfast. You guys have been watching the channel for a while. You guys know what I get every single day. Gotta get some McDonald's. I don't know if they showed you guys in school, but I remember seeing this film. I think it was called Super Size Me or something, about this dude that ate McDonald's every single day for a whole month, and then he gained like a bunch of weight or something. I've been eating McDonald's every single day since I was 11, and I can't go past 165. Looks like everybody today wants McDonald's. Alright, let me get 2 sausage McMuffin with eggs and 2 hash browns. Alright, thank you. Thank you. You guys don't remember or didn't watch that video, this is that same McDonald's where I came and did the reverse drive-through on with the Skyline. I didn't get any crazy reactions, but it was still funny. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. Shadow looking mean like always, and he's about to get meaner. All right boys, here we have the carbon fiber seibon front fenders for the Evo 8 and 9. Nice fresh carbon fiber, and to be honest, I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna pop open the hood. I'm assuming I need to remove some of these bolts that are pretty obvious are holding the front fender, maybe something down here, and of course something down here. I think I'll just remove the front bumper because I know that thing's gonna have to come off. Alright, now that the front bumper is off, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing these bolts up here. And I see there's 2 right here, and there might be a couple more in here. Definitely this light just pops out. And this comes off. So removing this bolt is probably the most stressful one, because you do have to use an extension and you can barely move in here, but it's not that hard either. Pretty simple. All right, I got the front fender off. Actually, it'd be a lot easier if you had an extra person to help out. Not too difficult. The bottom bolts were a little bit of a pain, just because you have to stretch out the side skirt, but came off pretty easy. So now let's put on the fender. Bam! Everything seems to line up pretty well. I'm not gonna have to do any drilling. I need to fix this right here. This hole lines up. That lines up, and this one lines up. Looks good. I actually lied. Some of the holes on the seibon carbon fiber fender did not line up to the OEM holes. I am gonna have to make this one just a bit wider. This one was okay. I'm gonna have to do some work on this one and this one and this one. See, I don't really want to force the bolt to do that, so I'm gonna use my Dremel to open up the holes just a bit. That way the fender's nice and secure. There we go. That one's good. Now to do the other ones. There we go. Alright, one last thing for this side of the fender. I do have to make these holes just a bit bigger because these will not fit. So, and I don't want to stress out the part because it is made out of fiberglass and carbon fiber, and I don't want to crack it and then regret it. So I'm gonna make these holes just a bit bigger and we should be good to go. Okay guys, so the fender's finally on. Let me close the hood for you guys so you guys can take a sneak peek at what it looks like. Oh my god. Woo! Look at the difference. The little one, look at a little fender. And then this wide fender. God damn. God damn, Monkey. Carbon fiber. So now I'm gonna start on the other side, get that one done. Now that I know which bolts need to come off and where they're at, should be a piece of cake. And after both fenders are on, shadows should be looking meaner than what he already did. Well, this one came out pretty easy. Let's see if all the holes line up on this one. Probably not, but I guess we'll find out. Nothing barely clears. Alright, so I am gonna have to drill a hole right here because, as you can see, There's nothing right there, and this screw needs to go in there. So just drill a hole. This fender is actually the worst one. A lot of the holes that are actually supposed to meet up with the stock holes don't match, so I did have to do some drilling to get the bolts in. I had to do a couple down there too, and I had to do a little bit right here. So if you guys are planning on buying any carbon fiber part for your car, I'm not saying just seibon is the only one, because my parts are seibon, but just remember you're gonna have to do some modifications because they are not OEM and they are not direct bolt-ons like the original. So they look good though.
The next day.
Come on, Reed. All right. I don't normally wash my cars at a car wash, but Shadow's really dirty and it's hot outside, so I had to come over here. Just a little car wash with behind the scenes with Reef. I do want to show you guys one thing. I did add that black cover on the hood because of the filter, and as you guys know, you guys don't want to get water on that filter because it'll suck up into your motor. But we're gonna get Shadow looking good. You guys know I gotta add this butter wet wax to the new carbon fiber to keep it looking nice and clean. I don't want the sun to damage it, especially right now that it's brand new. I want to keep it looking like this forever. So yeah, butter wet wax.
Now that Shu put on the butter wet wax, his car smells like bananas.
Hey, calm down, Dr. Kong. All right, guys, we're back. Went to the car wash. Reef and I got some pizza, some lunch, but check out Shadow. Hold the pizza. Don't drop it. But check out Shadow. God damn, he's looking so mean. Look at those wide fenders. Woo! So my wheel was nice and flush with the stock fenders before, but now it looks a lot wider. God damn. And so I went ahead and used the butter wet wax just to protect the carbon fiber. That way it stays looking nice and clean the longest. I know eventually one day I'm gonna have to re-clear it because carbon fiber is very delicate with the sun, so I'm gonna try my best to keep it looking good. And I don't know, what do you guys think is next for Shadow? I already have it in mind. I still have to order the part, but we got something new coming for it very soon. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think is next for Shadow. And I will see you guys on the next video.